Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2001 to 2007 Sequoia. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Remove the rear wheel and fender liner. Remove the rear shock absorber, coil spring, and coil isolator. Lift the body to create working clearance. Step 3. Cut off the factory coil spring bucket by cutting along the base where it is welded to the frame rail and cross members. If the frame rail or cross members need repair or replacement, do so at this time. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Position the replacement coil spring bucket using the factory silhouette for alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the bucket in place and weld all edges fully. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall any fuel lines or brackets that were removed. Reinstall the coil spring isolator, coil spring, shock absorber, fender liner, and wheel, then lower and reinstall the body.